All right, today we're working on taking out some rear tail lights on the 98 Impreza Sport. We're going to go ahead and pull this one off right here. They got a little panel here in the back. It's got a little clip. You just pull that back. Might have to pry it out a little bit. Sometimes they get a little stuck. Other times they just pop right out. The first thing I just did, I just unplugged the bulbs from the rear to get these out of my way. There's 5 10mm nuts. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's one back in here behind this panel. The nice thing about the left side is you have this access panel here where you can open this up and get right to this last nut here that's on the corner of the tail light. Okay, so I already broke these loose. You just need an 8mm ratchet. Just go in there and you can break them loose, and then you can actually take the rest of them out by fingers, by hand. You can just spin them right off. Try not to drop them because they will fall back down in this hole and you will not get them back. Just try to keep 2 fingers on them when you pull them out. Now we have this one back here. I'm just going to use electric ratchet to get in there. The reason why I'm using this one is because this little hand, this one doesn't really fit in there very well. And for speed, I wanted to use this. All right, so now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these 8mm nuts. That's gonna go ahead and loosen that entire light housing. All right, now on the rear tail light, there's gonna be some glue, a seal that goes all the way around. You need to heat this up if you live in a colder environment, or you're doing this during the winter time, because this glue will be very, very, very tight and it'll be really hard to break apart. So if you have a heat gun or a blow dryer, you're going to want to warm up this seal as best you can to kind of loosen this up. Right now it's a hot day, the car was out in the sun, the seal is pretty loose. I can push it out pretty much, but just with my hands. So I'm going to push from the inside. You got to make sure that you wiggle this side out too, and voila, that is the glue that seals it. And this is what makes it really hard to get out if you're in cold weather, because this stuff is like cement. Okay.